Morning folks, just left the campsite. Gonna head for a place called Mimizan, spend 2 nights at the campsite because my feet are still pretty swollen from all the climbing in Spain, so I'm gonna have a couple of rest days. Let's hit the road. Back on these buttery smooth bicycle paths. Hardly any bumps at all.
Yeah. I'm a mess, babe, why can't you see? No hoping what's left of me. I had to tell you before I fall asleep. Sitting there on the edge, babe, not knowing which way to lean. I am the wreckage in need of glue. Smash my guitar and stay in tune. Tired of the lies, they're all like me. Tripping all over you, babe. Tripping all over me. Tripping all over you, babe. Tripping all over me. Tripping all over you. Tripping all over me, yeah. Dollar, I need a dime. I took a dive for an API. Babe, I wanna give it all to you. Give it all to me, babe, and I give it all to you. You give it all to me, babe, and I give the world to you. To you, if you give it all to me, babe, I give the world to you. Sweet thing.
Great, I've got to push my bike up this sandy slope. This is going to be fun. This is a nightmare. Coming down the hill now. Made it up one hill. Up an even bigger one. I had to take the trailer off. It's impossible to push it up this hill. It's so sandy. You just get stuck all the time with the weight. Right, that's the trailer up. I'm going to fly the drone up and see how far this goes, because if it's more than a mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, I'm turning back. It'll take me 5-6 hours to cut that through this terrain. It's a joke, right? Having a laugh. Nearly back to the path. Well, my bike computer did reroute, but it keeps wanting me to go onto that sandy path wherever I go, so I'm going to ignore it, and I've put the campsite into Google Maps, and according to Google Maps it's taken me on the road, so well, I know it's taken me on the road. That's 34 minutes away, so see you there. Should be coming up to the campsite now. What's that in total? 44 miles. 44 miles today. There we go. La May Path. Campsite. €25 for 2 nights with electric. That's so good. Further south I was paying €22 a night, no electricity. It's got showers here. I'm not sure if it's got a pool. The lady didn't speak that great English, and obviously I don't speak French, but yeah. So I'm going to set my stuff up now in this lovely shaded area, then probably head into town, explore a little, well, when it's a bit cooler actually, and find a supermarket, get some supplies for 2 days because I don't want to go back out, I just want to rest my feet. Yep, so I'll catch you in a bit. Just got back from Lidl. Bought my supplies, just going to chill out now. Watching a bit of AB, Auditing Britain. Might head up to the beach actually, it's only 32 minutes away. Yeah, have a look around there for a bit. I'll take the camera. Just heading to the beach now, have a quick Look, it's like 30 minutes away. Listen to that. It's just so beautiful around here. I better check my legs for ticks in a minute. I keep brushing these ferns. What did I say earlier about following a sandy route? What did I say to myself? Never again. Why don't I listen to my own advice? Finally off that track, walking down, I saw a wild boar on the other side of the stream. Luckily, it saw me, grunted, then run off. But that kept my wits about me for the rest of the push. Back to the road now anyway. I don't know what it is, but there must be some kind of factory around here because it absolutely stinks. It's like a cross between a pate and burning plastic. A weird smell, but it's not very nice. It's unpleasant. I can smell it all over Mimizan. I'll have to ask the receptionist at the campsite. Strange. Definitely come back here tomorrow. There's one further down that way as well.
Good morning. What's the time? 7:30. Let's see what the day looks like. Right, I'm gonna get up, have a shave, get showered, and head to the beach. Catch you in a bit.
Just stopped to get coffee whilst I'm waiting for my clothes to wash in the laundry. That's my laundry done, groceries done, Aldi, head back to camp, dry my clothes, go to the beach. Clothes are nearly dry now. There's my pitch, nice and shaded from the hot sun. More excellent cycleways all the way to the beach. Vive la France! know what that bad smell is. It's a raw paper factory where they make the raw materials for paper. It stinks the whole village out. Hello everyone, just in my tent, watching the sunset for a bit. Gonna get up early tomorrow, probably 7 o'clock-ish. Head to a town called Mios, M-I-O-S. You probably don't pronounce it that way, but yeah, heading there. It's about 40 miles away, but on commute. I've selected roads because I don't want to end up on a sandy track again. And I planned to go somewhere yesterday, and it took me on one of those, well, I didn't go on it, but it kept putting me on sandy tracks, so just gonna avoid it. Yeah, so I'm gonna carry on relaxing, probably go to sleep in about an hour. I'll see you in the morning.